right here.
Alright guys, just find a place along the railing. There's plenty of room on this side, so just find a place along the railing. Alright, if you want to rest your feet, there's benches along the wall. There's a water fountain here in the corner. You can go all the way down if you like. Make sure you take all the pictures you want to take. Make sure you take them now, not at the end. There'll be no time at the end. And if you look down below, you're gonna see a rotor. That rotor normally is not there. That rotor belongs to generator number 3. So you are more than welcome to take pictures of it. You guys at the end, there's plenty of room on this side. Alright, so welcome to the Nevada side of the power plant. We have 17 generators. 8 here in front of you, 9 on the Arizona side. Each generator is 70 feet tall, but we can only see the upper half. They spin at 180 revolutions per minute. So just one generator is capable of producing up to 130 megawatts of electricity. That is enough power for about 65,000 homes. But if all 17 generators run, that is enough power for over 1 million homes. Now, if you want to know if a generator is running, just look at the top. If the light is on, the generator is producing power. So how many generators are running right now? 1? I see 2.
Oh, 2, okay.
Yeah.
The sun was in it.
2. The demand of water dictates how many generators can run. Depends on how much water they need downriver. And we also have another type of generator. If you look down, you will see a fenced-in area. Inside is the Pelton water wheel. This generator produces 2.4 megawatts of electricity, but it's very, very important to us because we get our in-house power from it. So next, I would like to point out the cranes. If you look up, you will see the green P&H cranes. And they can move around like they just did for maintenance. Each crane can lift 300 tons. So just one of our cranes can lift the Statue of Liberty that weighs 225 tons. But this is not enough for what we need here. So we have 2 cranes. When working together, they create a super crane that can lift 600 tons. And why do we need to do that? Because each rotor, so there's a rotor down there, can weigh up to 600 tons. And if we could take one out, we can do that with no problem. So now I want you guys to look at the concrete wall behind you or to my right. 450 feet on the other side is the lake. So between Lake Mead and us is the dam. The dam stands 726 feet tall. The roadway, well, the dam is like a pyramid. So the roadway is 45 feet thick. Right at the base is 660 feet thick. To get an idea how thick that is, just take a look at this room and go from the back wall and all the way down to the far wall. That would be 650 feet, just 10 feet short of the thickness of the base of the dam. So the last thing that I would like to talk about is the floor that we are standing on. This beautiful terrazzo marble floor covers 121,000 square feet throughout the dam and the power plant. It was put in place in 1937 by the Martina family with good students in mind. The cost at that time was just under $60,000. To install it today, that would cost millions and millions. And you might have noticed the floor designs, they are Native American design. The circular one represents water spit in a turbine. The one next to me, it looks like a toaster, but it's an electrical outlet. So power and water, the main functions here at the dam. All right, guys, so I have 20